This is induced breeding of warm water finfishes, an environmental factor that affect the spawning. In induced breeding, we can see that House of Argentina, that is in 1930, first attempt in induced breeding of fish by using pituitary extract on a viviparous fish. Then subsequently Von Ehring and his team of Brazil in 1934 successfully induced bred a catfish with pituitary hormone, and hence credit for present day concept of induced breeding of fish goes to Brazilian. Then in India, 1957, Chaudhary and Ali Kuni successfully induced breed major carp to spawn through hypophysation technique. IMC was successfully induced bred twice within an interval of about 2 months. Then Chonder in 1990 described a method for mass-scale breeding of silver carp in Bangalore through HCG and its combination with pituitary extract. Earlier, Chonder successfully bred with mass breeding IMC and Chinese carp in Bangalore. What are the environmental factors concerned with breeding of fishes? First is the light. Light controlled reproduction in fishes. Early maturation and spawning of fish as a result of enhanced photoperiodic regimes have been reported by several workers for temperate fishes. In India, Sirenus reba found to attain early maturity when subjected to artificial day length longer than natural day length, even at low temperature of the winter months, that is 90 to 20 degrees Celsius. The resorption of gonads in Sirenus reba was delayed and spawning condition could be maintained up to November. Now, how is temperature being factor of, that is, breeding of fishes? That is temperature has a role on sexual reproduction and spawning of fish in India. There are optimum temperature ranges for induced breeding of cultivable fishes and critical temperature limits above and below which fish will not reproduce. IMC are found to breed with a range of 24 to 31 degrees Celsius. Ali Kuni et al. In 1964 spawned fish successfully at a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius in the laboratory and observed that the fish spawned successfully when temperature rose by only 1.8 to 2.3 degrees Celsius. This was the induced breeding of warm water fish, finfishes, and environmental factors affecting spawning.